Finally my patience got its fruit, and the clouds came finally. They were shy for the periods that we were here, but look. One of the most amazing views here in Sawda. Just looking over the clouds. Wow, just wow. We went from the most fearful moments of this trip to the most amazing views here. So the guys now are trying to find the parking here, so I'm going down. Okay. Up, up. and welcome to Al Habala. The last time we came 2 years ago, it was so rainy and a storm all of a sudden came and we couldn't stay. The weather is predicted to change maybe half an hour from now, so let me try and capture some drone footages before the weather change. So let us see. And with this we close the chapter of coming to south of Saudi, and I hope you enjoyed the videos and the coverage of these amazing places that many people don't know about. We went through all of the emotions of happy, scary, lovely, and all of the scenery behind me that you can see. I hope you enjoyed the videos and you could familiarize with some places here in South Saudi, and you can plan for these such places. And I hope that you enjoy the series, and don't forget to like and subscribe, ring the bell, and support me if you can with sharing these videos with your friends and colleagues. And just to close this chapter, I'll give you lasting views, the one behind me and the one in front of me.
All again.